Thank you for your interest in Cloud Stacking Plan. In today's video, we're going to show you how to run reports, utilize the system file cabinet, print cart, and account management and setup. Let's start with logging into Cloud Stacking Plan. You will enter your email address and your password, then click Sign In. Upon logging into Cloud Stacking Plan, by default, you will be directed to the property page where you will see your list of properties. Starting with reports, please click on the report option from the tree menu. You will be directed to the report screen where you have the option to run several reports. Starting with the vacancy report, this report will show vacancy information from your property or list of properties. To run it, select the report, then scroll down to select a single property, or hold your Control or Shift key down to select multiple properties. You can also select other criteria such as the rent range, square footage, property type, or property class. Then select the type of format you wish the system to return. You can choose PDF, Microsoft Word, or Excel. Then press Run Report. For the PDF version, you will be redirected to the PDF Viewer page. For Word and Excel, you will be prompted to save your file or open in your local Word or Excel application. Other reports include Suite Contacts, which is a list of your suites per floor and corresponding contact information. Next, you have the Expiration Report, which is a list of suites within your property and their lease expiration information. Then you have two rent roll reports, which are separated between just active tenants or active tenants as well as archived previous tenant information. Finally, you can run the lease comparable report, which provides you a comprehensive comparison floor by floor and suite by suite of leasing information for the property. The next feature we would like to show you is our system level file cabinet. In earlier videos, you learned that you can upload and store files related to properties as well as suites. But we also allow you to upload and store information that is system level that you can access at any time for any reason, like marketing materials, disclosure documents, or anything you deem appropriate to your operation. You simply select a document from your PC, click Open, assign it a category, then enter a description. Then press Upload File. You will see your file populate below. Another feature we would like to show you is the print cart. This is a very convenient feature that allows you to send various outputs to a centralized area, then print to a single document for your convenience. For instance, if we choose properties, then go into a property, then go into a stacking plan, then from the print options, we can select Print PDF, Copy to Print Cart. The system will compile the stacking plan, display it for you, then copy a version of it into your print cart. By choosing Print Cart from the tree view, you will see your document listed there. Now, for instance, you may also be interested in printing a rent roll for this property. Go to Reports, choose Rent Roll, select your property, select PDF format as your output, then check the box to send a copy to the print cart and press Run Report. You will see your report, then clicking to Print Cart, you will also see your rent roll listed along with your stacking plan. Now go to your file cabinet. Perhaps you also want to include something you stored in here to your print cart. On any of your files, simply click the yellow Send to Print Cart button and it will be added to your print cart. Now click Print Cart. You will see your list of documents in the grid below. You can simply view them, or you can choose to print them all to a singular PDF file by clicking the green Print Checked Items button. The system will compile the documents and display them in a single PDF as you see here. Now we'd like to take you through the Account and Setup module. Clicking on this from the tree view, you will be taken to the screen with three tabs. The first tab is your user information where you can update and change at any time. You can also upload and save a company logo to print on the header of your reports or even show in your stacking plans. The second tab is called Suite Category. This feature allows you to define custom categories that relate to a certain color. For instance, select the color, then enter a description like restaurant, then click Add. Then you can select another color, then enter in the description fitness center, then click Add. Now go to one of your properties, then go to Floors and Suites, choose a suite, then under the drop-down at the right, under Suite Category, select an option for what this suite is. Let's choose Fitness Center and press Save. Go back to the Property Detail, choose the Stacking Plan tab, then choose a plan, go to the Formatting tab. From the Color Scheme drop-down, you will see a suite category. Choose this and press Save. You will see now that your stacking plan is based on colors you defined in your suite category, for which you assigned at the suite level. This really helps you to customize your stacking plans as you wish. Now go back to the account and setup. We have one more thing to show you. Choose the tab Group Values. You can populate two custom categories that you have an option of choosing in Property Detail, which is Team Member and Sub-Market. Simply select your group value, enter a name, then press Add. When you're in Property Detail, your corresponding drop-downs will load with options you specify here. One last thing I would like to talk about is the yellow button you will see on most screens within the system. If you load a stacking plan, then exit the screen to go somewhere else within the system, you can always click the yellow My Last Stack button and you'll be returned to the last stack you had opened. This is helpful if you are entering other screens in the system like Suite Detail or Property Detail to change information. Clicking My Last Stack will bring you right back to where you were so you can continue. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please view our other two videos which detail how to enter property information into Cloud Stacking Plan and how to create and manage a stacking plan document. Thank you for watching.